to Vocab with Aileen, where we discover cool new words that make us sound super smart. Well, are you ready for today's fun word?
Oh yeah!
So, today's word of the day is Crepuscular. Wow! That sounds like a big and mysterious word, doesn't it? Let's find out what it means. Crepuscular means active during sunrise or sunset. It is usually used in zoological terms to describe an animal.
Wow!
Some animals like to come out when the sun is just rising in the morning or just setting in the evening. Not too bright, not too dark, just in between time of the day. Example time! Peacock is crepuscular because it is often more active early in the morning and in the evening when the weather is cooler and the sun is rising or setting.
Wow!
Or there are crepuscular animals. They usually come out to eat early in the morning or in the evening when the sun is rising or setting.
Amazing!
That's all for today. Let's remember our new word together. Next time you see animals moving around in the early morning or evening, you can say, "Hey, those animals are crepuscular." Keep learning, keep shining. And I'll see you in the next episode of Vocab with Aileen. Bye!